Hi all, I will show you now how to edit the course manual inside a course. The only person who can edit the course manual is the course coordinator, and I sent you a list of people who are the course coordinator. If that needs to change, please let me know, then I can add you as a course coordinator to a course so you can edit the course manual. The idea is that only the course coordinator can edit the manual, so that is the person who is responsible for the manual. And that's approved by the exam committee that only one person, if needed, can edit the course manual, because that's kind of the contract we have with the student, like that's what we're going to do this course. The idea is that all the information is presented here online inside the course, so a student does not need to download a document and then open it again and so on. So all the information is presented directly here inside the course manual. I set it up with all the content that is needed from the exam committee, so what they expect to see in the course manual. As you can see, here's a table of content. The first chapter is directly open, that's the general information. Then there's the course content I made sub-chapters, weekly schedule, literature. Then there's learning objectives, competences, and as you can see here is described the basics of what should be in there. That's a minimum, so please add stuff if you think that's needed, but this is the minimum what should be in there about these topics. So the course coordinator can edit this content, and I will show you how to do that. I start again at the top of the course, so the front page of the course. There it's already stated name of the course code. Those things should be filled in. So as a course coordinator and also as a teacher, but as a course coordinator you can edit the course manual. As a teacher you can't. You turn the editing on by clicking the blue button at the right top here. And then I can go to course manual, edit settings, and here in description I can change now the name of the course to the professional landscape of ICM, and a course code. I don't know the course code, so I'll use this one, and I don't want them highlighted yellow, so I select them, and inside the toolbar, maybe you don't see the full toolbar, so you can click this little button here to expand the toolbar, and here is the marker option, the background color, and I will select remove it. Just click once and then it's removed. You can choose different colors, just remove it. I'll scroll down and I'll leave all the other settings as they are, and I say save and display. Now, because I have the editing turned on, and as a course coordinator, I can now see that I can edit my table of contents. And with that, I edit the content of the manual. So the general information, the top one we have here, if I want to edit this content, I click on the wheel, the edit chapter wheel, and in this case, edit chapter 1. The editor opens and I can edit the content here with all the options that I want and all the formatting that you need. Please use that also in there. Just remember, all these things should be in there at least. And a lot of those things are already, you've already done that. It's a matter of copy and pasting. The idea is that we only use one source of information for the students. So this is a source of information for the students. There's nothing on SharePoint. This is just it. That means that the student has access to it all the time if they have an internet connection. If they want to download this information or print it, they can also go to the administration section of this book, because this activity is called a book, and they can also print this book or print this chapter or download it in a package. So basically that's it. You can edit each chapter here. I will show you again. If you go to literature, you can change the position up and down, and you can edit the chapter by clicking on the wheel, and then you can put all the info that's needed in there. That's it. I think if you have questions, please let me know. If it's not working, please let me know. If this is not on while you're in here and you are the course coordinator, scroll down to the administration block, and there at the bottom of the book administration you can see turn editing off in my case. So now I can't edit it anymore. And if I click it again, turn editing on, now I can edit the chapters again. Please let me know if you have issues, problems, or whatever. I really want to help you out to make this work for all the first year courses. So use me in that way. Talk to you later.